kitchen real quick and bring what you see in here?
What do you have? Is this better than the bathtub?
What's that, Aiden? Here, put it back here behind your brother and show Aunt Erin. Sit down in it. Give it a try. Good.
Do you like it?
Stopping with Aunt Erin for Christmas. Merry Christmas, Aunt Erin.